smashing, smashing is not the word, obliterating the $50,000 level. It didn't even like test, it just went like going, bah! And then straight through $50,000. And you know what's next? Because next is that golden cross, that beautiful, juicy golden cross. So today, we are going to be talking about the next move for Bitcoin. As if it's not obvious, the next move is up. And then we're going to be talking about a whole lot of altcoins, because it's alt season out there, baby. So welcome back. Welcome back, Banter fam. We'll see you in a bit.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Get out of bed, bitches. Bitcoin is pumping. Altcoins are pumping.
Get up.
Such a good day to be in crypto. And the good morning indicators, every single one of the 10 good morning indicators was good. Certainly in my house this morning. How were they in your house? The Bitcoin price is good. The stock market looks good. The only thing that worries me a bit, is the fear and greed index. That fear and greed index is extremely greedy. Extremely greedy. 79%. We've got to watch out for this. We have to watch out for this. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, well, you finally landed in the right place. You're here at Crypto Banter. This is the most giving community in the world. We give everything back to our family, and you guys are all our family. So if you're new to our channel, subscribe right now. Smash the like button. And also subscribe to our new channel, Microdose. Because if you are a subscriber to Microdose, not only do you get a microdose of crypto content, well, just take the sign down. Take the sign down. So on Friday, my good friend Mr. Biz came to Microdose, and he said he gave 3 calls. That's it. 3 calls. That's it. And if you look at his 3 calls today, the one call that he made, which was UFO, which was Truth Token, he called it at 0.27. It's basically doubled. It's doubled. So it doubled. So you need to be listening to Microdose. Also, if you listen to Microdose, that's where you can get Poly Launcher, because I'm still giving away Poly Launcher. I'm going to give you Poly Launcher today. Today, if you get $100 worth of Poly Launcher, it's worth $1,000. So you want $1,000, just like, subscribe. But I'm only going to start giving away when we get to 5,000 likes. If we're going to get 5,000 likes, we do giveaways. No 5,000 likes, no giveaways. It's such a simple formula. That's how we do it. Okay, let's do this. Sheldon.
Yo. What's up?
I'll tell you what's up. The Bitcoin price is up. That's what's up.
And your Tentino this morning?
Tentino.
Looking good, guys. Looking good. So obviously a great weekend. You keep talking about that fear and greed index. It's going to come down when the high is in. And I think that's the battle we've been fighting and why Bitcoin just hasn't been having these big pullbacks. We understand that moving in these big impulses, there's always a decent pullback that comes at any point. And you can see since we've started this rally, small little pullbacks in between, but no major pullbacks just yet. And this is obviously because the high is just not setting just yet. The bulls, the price is not where they want it to be just yet. And now we can start to see we're actually starting to smash some really, really key indicators to show you guys that all of this that we've been talking about Now, this could have been a very simple retracement for the next wave. And if this was a small retracement, this big pullback we had now 2-3 months ago, where's the next wave going? And that's the exciting part. So I'm very excited for the remaining of this year, Rune. I'm not sure about you. These tinglies are going absolutely crazy. And I'm glad the charts are finally backing it as well. And we're starting to get clear momentum flow. I think we've hit every single one of our trades. There hasn't even been any failure. Like, it's literally been killing it. So, guys, where we're looking at...
You don't have to be a genius now. You don't have to be a genius now to call trades right. I mean, the rising tide will lift all ships. The main thing that you need to get is you need to make sure that you hold on to your money and that you sell the right tokens at the right price, and the ones that are going to keep growing, you never sell. That's what we're going to be talking about today.
Massive. It's huge. Yeah, and I think that's a big one. Ryan, if you could say 5 coins that you take all your profits into, it's definitely a show we need to cover and get into, so guys know what to do to take profits. You know what I mean? Where do we take it? What do we buy? And what's going to last for what's going to be going up for the next 5 years? Do not go back to USDT. It makes no sense.
Just put your profits into this, and everything will be fine.
Exactly. And if has not proven, guys, look what bounces first. It's not about a correction in the market. It's about what bounces, what recovers quick after that correction, and we can see clearly what the fundamental coins are doing. So I think let's jump into Bitcoin. Let's have a look. We have cracked through a very key resistance that we're fighting now for 2-3 days, which was basically the 48-49 level, and now we completely smashed it through yesterday. And now what I'm starting to see now is we're starting to get rid of very key resistance points. The next one that I do have, and it was a range that I'm expecting us to go through from here, is the 51,500 to the 53,000. I do think there's quite a bit of resistance there. And what does it mean, guys? We're starting to get the basic understanding that this line has done everything for us with Bitcoin. It's done everything since we started. We come down, we test. We come down, we test. So any point we do get rejected, we come down, test support. And that's how we learn where to add positions, how to build. So with Bitcoin, I am seeing it making its way to the 53. Guys,
hold on. Extend that yellow line a bit more up. Extend the yellow line a bit more up. Okay, now go to that resistance level and draw a straight line from the resistance level to the yellow line. There we go. Shows you there's still a lot more upside before we go back and test that yellow line. Exactly. So if I look at this, we're going to 53 very soon, 53, 54, and then back down to 52. And then that's kind of the road that I'm seeing, because this line means everything to us.
The only thing is, I'm not sure what you're feeling, Ryan, but I feel that there was a lot more resistance between the 40 and the 50K than what there's going to be between the 50 and the 60. Because now the belief's coming back. Now the Bitcoin breaking 50 was a big psychological step. It was a massive one because everyone was thinking it was going to fall. So I think, as soon as we smash through these next sort of resistance points, price can accelerate so quickly and we can be sitting at 60K in no time. It's this 40, all of this resistance over here was big battles and we're already through half of them. So Bitcoin's looking good.
Let's break this down a bit. Okay, so Bitcoin demand is driven by 3 categories of demand. The one is institutional demand. The second pocket is the whales demand, and the third pocket is retail demand. And all of them are very important. So retail got us out of the bear market now, not institutions, funny enough. The whales are important because they have conviction and they're holding 84% of the Bitcoin supply in circulation is now being held by the whales. I mean, get that, wow. 84%. That's insane. And then you got the institutions. So what's happening now, if you look at the grayscale premium, you can see that there's not much institutional demand. So this is not being driven by institutions. The whales are holding and the new holders are holding. So it's another dynamic at play where the whales are buying and holding and taking it off exchanges. And then the retail investor is buying and either trading or taking it off exchanges. So interesting dynamic that the institutions aren't in yet in this next phase of the bull run. Let me tell you when they're going to come in. Okay. Golden cross.
Okay, let's have a look. Have a look. Golden cross. So it's very simple, guys. We hold 200-day moving average. Golden cross is going to happen. And we do know then, obviously, retail-wise, that's a massive indicator for the retail. And FOMO definitely will start coming in. The only thing is, it's very similar to what happened over here, is the damage might be done before that golden cross comes. And that's what people don't understand about using these moving averages. It's very far behind.
You're wrong.
Now,
You're wrong.
Okay. No, but same reason, yeah. So then why look what happened after this cross of death over here. Why did nothing really happen? Yes, we had a small pool, but we didn't go any low, like nothing happened. So what's to say that if Bitcoin is at 65K and then we get the golden cross?
I'll tell you why. This golden cross, the moving averages weren't below the price for long enough. This is a very like temporary correction. If you go back in history and you look at all the times when this golden cross happened, specifically in this kind of pattern, you will see that there's been a massive, massive, massive explosion afterwards.
So this, Rand, I've been saying this for the last month now, or the last 2-3 months, that the crash that we had now in the last 2 months reminds me exactly of the March drop last year. Exactly. Where Bitcoin just slowly grows, gets back above, cross again, and that was a temporary one for the move. So I agree with you. The only thing is, do you see there's the cross? Did it do anything?
Yes. Zoom out. Yes. Zoom out. Zoom out.
No, later. That's not the point is.
Look.
Yes.
Look what happened.
Yes, but there was a cross there as well. You know what I mean? So you got to use them in ways. There was a cross there as well. We dumped off. So it's big. The main thing is the cross is powerful. We just got to obviously hold the 200-day moving average. So the only thing is what I'm saying is a lot of people are waiting for the cross to happen. Where I'm saying
algorithms,
if we hold the 200, it's going to happen. So why are you waiting for the cross?
Algos are all waiting for the golden cross. There's probably billions of dollars on the sideline that says it's programmed into a computer. It says if golden cross, then buy like an ape. That's how it's programmed into the computer.
It's really not smart. These guys should be buying way earlier than waiting for that. At least we're in, guys. At least the Banter community is in early. But we know that the fact that we are in at such good levels, and it is a good thing for the market, guys. It gets the retail in. At least now we can start putting ourselves in the category where we're not just the degen. What do you call it? So the guys that just wait for these massive, lagging indicators. If I could say, we're actually early. We're very, very early, and we're higher step traders. I still think we have the smartest damn trading community in the world. We do. The guys have knowledge now. We know where to buy. We know where to this. We know. Not wait for something like this, miss half the action, and then only buy much later. But for retail, it's big for us. Because the sad thing is, we have to take our profits on someone. Someone has to lose for someone to win. Which means when coins are aping and, Bitcoin's 100K, someone's buying at 100K. When you want to be offloading anything, someone's buying that from you.
Community. That someone is not from our community.
Exactly.
Sheldon,
exactly.
Go back to the bottom. I want to show the guys something. I want the bottom of this last cycle. So, the one that we had, the one that a couple of days ago, 2 weeks ago.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so what date was that bottom?
The bottom.
No, the one where the yellow line starts. There we go.
20th of July.
What date are we on today?
Oh, we're on the 23rd of August.
So we're talking about 33 days. In the last 33 days, Bitcoin is up 60%.
Yeah. 60%. And we should not be surprised, guys. This market is more bullish than bearish, always.
66%. This is the case for not trying to time the market, because if you mistimed it, you lost 66% of the returns already. You lost 66% of the returns. That is why you got to be in Bitcoin all the time, because you never know when it's going to be these 23 or 24 or 30 days that are going to give you all the returns. You just never know.
That's such a big thing to teach people. Take profits in Bitcoin, guys. Don't get out of the market. Stay in the market, but take profit into Bitcoin, Ethereum.
At this point,
do it.
If you are taking profits into US dollars, then there's no other word to describe you guys but an absolute asshole. There's no other word I can use, even though YouTube's going to ban the video now. You cannot take profit into a shitcoin. You got to take profit into a good coin. The only time that you take profit into a shitcoin is if you need living expenses, if you need to cover your living expenses. Otherwise, you take profit into Bitcoin. You never take profit into shitcoin.
If you do take it into USDT, then... Sorry, I had to. I'm learning.
Well done. All right, Sheldon, let's degen. Should we degen a bit?
Okay, well, let's go through this. Quick dominance, quick Ethereum, and then we degen.
Okay, it's
So
dominance.
Bitcoin, guys, anytime we got the support. We know where's the danger level. Simple. You got one damn line. It's easy. We break that line, then we can start to see. For now, the high is not in. So the next resistances is still obviously between 51 and 53. Guys, the exciting part is if we smash through that, and I do think, the next level 60. And, it just shows that the more we start, I still think the 40 to the 50K was the harder one to get through. And now we are getting through that. Let's see how we react at 53. But for now, this is good. This is us now. We are absolutely flying past the 200-day moving average. And these are our next resistances. Remember, when you want to look at quick levels on where Bitcoin can go, we are just using these previous lows over here as the next levels. And you can see we can draw these lines up. And some of the highs, we can obviously see the next levels on any turning sort of points. But right now, guys, we have passed, I would say, the 50% mark. The only big thing, Grant, that we have to, I just want to show you.
Rudo says this is a trap.
Yeah, you can't be a bear in a bull market. I'd rather be a bull in a bear market than a bear in a bull market. I can't do that. We have not broken a line. There's no way that I can say we're going down until we have broken my support.
That's what Rudo said. Rudo said this is a trap.
Last time they all said it, and what happened. So let's see how it goes. Not about that. It's just it's two different things. The only one here, Rand, that's a big one, guys, that I do see. We have to get through is if we take the full top of the wave to the down. It was a strong impulse to the downside. We have the 618 on the daily, and that's a big one to get through. So Bitcoin, get through 51, 52, get through that. And guys, I see 60K coming very quick. So Bitcoin's on track. Having a look at dominance, where we're seeing with dominance, we are still trailing down strong. I got another good little indicator for us this morning. It's also showing us big strength in the market. But this is still, until we break through this dominance over here, it's going to be Bitcoin one day, alts one day, Bitcoin one day, alts one day, and they're going to work together. And it's actually lovely for us to have the sideways range in dominance other than just completely in one direction. So I'd actually love, like I said, the dominance to do this for the next 2-3 months, because that means Bitcoin will go to 80, then Ethereum will go there, and they'll basically start taking turns.
Take a step back. What's happening here? You can see what's happening here. As Bitcoin goes up, more money is going into Bitcoin. Where's the money coming from? It's coming from the alts. So more money going into Bitcoin. Bitcoin sucking out the juice out of the alts. Sucking out the juice out of the alts. And then what's happening after that is when people are saying, hold on, Bitcoin's running enough, 51, 52, they take profits on Bitcoin and they go into altcoins. And then altcoins absolutely explode. So now you've been warned. Now you know. Now you know this.
Exactly. And what's powerful about is the fact that they are doing that one by one, which shows that there's confidence in the market. There's confidence in alts and there's confidence in Bitcoin. So dominance is on track. A key indication, guys, this is big for the USDT dominance. This is the trend that I've been talking about. We've been getting this. This drop over here just shows you that people are getting out of USDT big time. And this is a big indication for us now that we're going to start having a big acceleration down in the USDT dominance, which means the confidence is massive in the market. And obviously looking at the USD, the Ethereum dominance, we are in my zone now where I'm seeing a Ethereum explosion coming very soon. This is where I'm seeing, if we have a look, stochastic has just bottomed out to Ethereum dominance. And now we have tested this zone beautifully. So I'm seeing a Ethereum pop soon. And obviously having a look at the Ethereum chart, I'll get into, Ethereum is about to just break the previous high that we made. We smashed through it. Guys, now, do you see the difference with Bitcoin, how we have lots of resistances still? Where do you see your next resistances on Ethereum? I only see two. And those two is 3,700 and 4,000. Guys, Ethereum's going to moon. I'm super confident with Ethereum. And obviously having a look, let's see if I can just get the Ethereum BTC chart up here. You'll see exactly what I mean, how Ethereum is showing us indicators that it's going to be the next one to absolutely explode and to start taking over. So you can see it's basically come and it's test my resistances from that previous big wedge. We just come and test support at this zone over here, and I'm seeing it still push to this zone and obviously to the next targets, which are basically between the 10 cents, or I'm not sure exactly how you say it's the BTC pair. So Ethereum's a big one for me. And I think we can jump into some coins.
Before we jump into coins, I just want to address two things. One, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I think this is excellent. Watch this. Okay, let's see. Let's play it for you guys.
Oh, It's going. That's so cute.
That is one of our community members actually sent that to me. Okay, let's quickly degen a little bit. So we'll do some super chats. I do have some coins that I want to talk to you about. Let's see if there are any super chats. Okay, while we're waiting for the super chats, let's degen. Hold on. Let's find some degens.
So the one I have called on Twitter that I do think is huge, and I would love to see what your opinion is.
Did you put it on CoinPanel?
Yeah, is XRP. So XRP, I also put it up on Twitter this morning. That's a beautiful break of the 12-hour. And I'm not sure. What are you feeling about XRP and all the news, Rune? What are you feeling on the thing? But I feel like it's going to moon. I really feel that.
Let me tell you what I'm thinking.
XRP is going to come quick.
Let me tell you what I'm thinking. Let's say that XRP, let's say that they come out of this court case and they win the court case with the SEC, and therefore XRP is not a security. Let's just say. And I think they might actually win. But let's say, even if XRP is not a security, then is XRP the sixth most adopted, sixth most valuable crypto out there? No. Right? Like, it's not. It's definitely not. So I still don't even, I just don't get that.
I heard they're getting in the NFT space on that. Well, what's your thoughts on that?
Everyone's in the NFT space. The guy that directed me into my parking spot this morning is in the NFT space. Everyone's in the NFT. I don't know.
All that I'm saying is, did you see them upgrading as quick as these other coins are? You know what I mean? Do you see them continuing and maybe bringing out new versions? And you know what I mean? Like maybe getting to a point where it's, I don't know. But chart-wise, guys, I still feel they got a badass army behind them. They do have a good community.
You want to buy sentiment? You want to buy sentiment? You want to buy sentiment? Buy it. Buy that. Buy Dogecoin. You're buying sentiment. You want to buy sentiment? Buy it. You want to buy, and look, it's not going to collapse because XRP has shown that it's a good. The army is very, very, very strong. But if you ask me, if you want fundamentals, that's not fundamental.
No. This is a date me. It's a 4-night stand. I'm taking you, making my money off of you, and I'm leaving you, and I'm buying what I want. It's just to make some cash. I'm also not a long-term lover, but XRP, I still feel it does this, Rand, and that's what excites me with XRP. Is you get such of these big long ups here, and it does this random day where all of a sudden XRP,
I wouldn't date XRP.
Absolutely galore. I'm not dating. I'm just playing around.
I wouldn't date XRP.
Just playing around in my tent.
I'd slap it around for half an hour and then take a sleeping pill to forget what I've done. Oh, no. Can we do Cardano? Can we do Cardano, please? Can we do Cardano? It's hitting new highs now as we speak, 284. As we speak,
guys. Yeah, before that, TFuel. It's a buy. Just remember, we'll come back in 2-3 days and we'll see what that's done.
Write that down. Piece of paper and a pen.
TFuel.
Oh.
We're nearly at the 1618, bro. So you can see as soon as we start breaking through, we're going. So I'm still waiting for the $3.3 for ADA. And then I do see a reversal to the BTC pair. So I'll sell some ADA back into Bitcoin and then I'll buy back again.
This is the clever guy, Split Moon. He says XRP is mental, not fundamental. It's mental. It's not fundamental. I like Split Moon, $100 of Poly Launcher because I like him. He's got it. He's mental. It's about mentality, not fundamentality.
So with the XRP, we got still 2 levels. We got the 3.3 and then we also got the 4.8. So any of these levels, I'm just going to go into a bit of Bitcoin.
Let's degen. Let's just get straight into degen. Go to the chart of...
Cake is about to explode as well.
I was about to say cake. Exactly.
That's literally... There's no resistances after this. We got the 1 at 29, but this is big. This is a big range. It can take us up to 36 quite quickly. So cake definite. It's not a short-term trade. It's a buy now. 2-3 months, you're going to make great money. So
okay, I've got another one for you. It's an accelerator, incubator, plus a launch pad for gaming assets. It's called Seedify.
Where do I get that?
You get that, I think, on Dex Labs, on Dex Tools. Dex Labs is also good, by the way. If you haven't seen Dex Labs, unbelievable token. I'm getting confused between my tokens here.
Okay, let's have a look. What's the ticker?
S Fund, SFUND.
Seedify. This one.
Seedify Fund, yeah. I know they've got a whole lot of games coming up in their pipeline. That's why I want to check the charts, because fundamentals, yes. No, that's not the one. The one that I'm talking about is trading at like $4 or $5.
S Fund.
S Fund.
Okay, we'll have a look. If it's not ready now, then I don't see it yet, but so we'll come back to that one for the
top. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the one I just went into now.
Oh, scam token.
14
It's on
cents.
Kucoin. It's on Kucoin. S Fund on Kucoin.
Oh, is it?
Okay.
Maybe it's, yeah. Let's see.
Maybe on Seedify Fund Tether on
There we
Kucoin.
go.
Exactly as I predicted.
Oh, it's ran.
Okay.
We can't do it, dude. That cent is gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, careful. Okay, I have one for you. Check. I'll tell you what it's called. CLS.
CLS. I also have one, Ran. I need to give
Coldstack. I'll tell you why I like Coldstack. Arweave has been running, right? Now, what Coldstack does...
This is a chart, Ran. This is a good chart.
Yeah. So listen, what Coldstack does is as follows. They create an interface that allows you to pick between all these decentralized file storages. So let me show you in a diagram. So let me make it bigger. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. So you can see what they do is if you want decentralized file storage, you go to Coldstack and they in turn send it to the relevant file storage networks to make sure that you get the best deal for your file storage. So for me, this is an amazing tool. This is one that I'd be buying. If the chart says yes, this is the one I would be buying. And it's a very good proven team that have done this all before.
Yeah, chart looks amazing, bud. That's exactly what we want. You know, we've been catching all of them now the last 2-3 weeks by the break of these out of accumulation sort of zones. So that's good. What I love about this is no other resistance other than 2.7 and 3.1. So percentage wise, even just to the next resistance from here, 30-something, 50-something percent.
And fundamentally a top class coin. So, and one of those because now what you need is you need to find those undiscovered gems because everything's run. So now it's a case of looking for the ones that haven't run yet, right?
100%. This is one that this is one of my gems for the week that I think are going to do well. I did call it up on the Twitter. It's already starting to go. This year, it's early. Kucoin Token.
Do it on CoinPanel. So the guys
I don't have it on Kucoin. Kucoin launches this week on CoinPanel.
Okay.
Then you'll be able to see, guys, this is a buy. This for investment wise, this is good. Remember what FTT did? Same thing here. This is a big buy. We called it yesterday beautifully on Twitter, but KCS, definite. Okay.
We spoke about Argo on Friday. I think we spoke about it at 26 cents. It's again,
I was keeping, buddy.
1% of your portfolio. Like you do not put more than 1% of your portfolio in these ones. These are high risk. Keep 3. I spoke about it last week, right?
Keep. Yeah, it went pumped.
And too late?
Yeah, for now, yes. For now.
Okay.
It's easy. It's easy. There you go. Buy and support, guys. One line.
Matic hasn't run yet. I don't know why no one's seeing this.
So there's the wedge. That's what we want. The breakout here, it's just got a little bit more resistance. That's why it's slowing down. But after this, we then have a big explosion. $2, $2.5. So this is big for Matic. There's 2 options where you buy Matic now, guys. We either buy it on the test of support, trend line, or we buy the break of this resistance over here. Remember, dollar cost. There's always going to be some dips in this market. Don't just buy some on the break of that. And if it does at any point dip down and touch support, buy some more.
Okay, let's see. Is there anything else? Remember I said Coti, the birds are coming. There are Coti birds.
I wouldn't buy Coti now, no.
There are Coti birds.
Let's see if I have a look. No, it's on its way. The guys are in already from these 2 breaks over here. We wait for now. We'll wait for a pullback. But Coti, I'm seeing going to 36 to 40 cents now. But it's not worth, there will be a pullback.
You're not listening to the birds.
Okay, what are the birds saying?
They're saying Coti. They're saying Cardano. They're saying Coti doing something with Cardano. Hold on. Yeah, it's Coti and Cardano. It's Coti and Cardano. So there's something about Coti and Cardano doing something. I don't know exactly what it is. Can't hear properly.
Oh, how was this? What do I say? Rune. Not Rune, Rune. How's that entry, buddy? Yo, we literally hit that thing in the bottom live on the show, and that's on its way.
Remember, we
Hold
said
tight,
it's $3.
Enjoy.
$3. I said to people, ape into Rune. And then I said also get into Thor Starter, and that was at 6 cents. Let's just check what XRune is on.
That's on TradingView.
Probably not. XRune.
I'll get it on.
I'll get a few on CoinGecko. I'm sure I haven't looked at it today, but I called it at 6 cents. I said that Thor chain
45 cents. 45 cents.
Your baby. Okay, now remember our portfolio. Remember that portfolio that I gave the community. And I said, it's time to...
BNB is exploding, bud. I don't know about you. I've been talking about it. BNB is going. Look at it now. This coin's going to absolutely ruin.
I like FTX more, but I like it.
I hope so. I hope guys bought it. I hope you did buy it when we were talking about it here, guys.
Yeah, you did say. Here's the portfolio. If anyone got into that portfolio, you almost tripled your money now. You're very, very close to tripling your money in the last 30 days. Those were the returns. All amazing tokens that would survive a bear market. If you bought this portfolio, you're smiling. You are really smiling. You would have made almost 3x your money in 20 days, 21 days. Triple your money, man, Rand. Yeah, in bull market.
One that's looking really good, and if it closes today, is Tezos. So it doesn't have to be a long-term love coin, but damn, this has a big. From here, when we catch these breakouts here, exactly like the previous ones, I see 5.4 next. So percentage-wise, these are a good 40, 50, 60% trade. So Tezos, guys, the break of that resistance today. No way. That looks good.
You know what's good, and we don't talk about it often enough, is AVAX. We don't talk about it often enough, and it's just started to pump. But I think it might be too late. That's what the chart will tell us. I found out Andreessen Horowitz also invested in this thing. So
They also have the most active.
That's gone, bro.
we missed that.
That's gone. Guys, a big lesson. Do you see why you don't buy here? You'll see what happens next. So be very careful.
Fantom. Let's go to Fantom. Let's degen into Fantom.
Fantom. Okay, let's get this going. Fantom, FTM. Come on, CoinPanel, load up.
I got a cool idea for tomorrow. I got a very cool idea for tomorrow.
Tell me.
Well, first tell me about Fantom.
Fantom's not a buy. We're in from here. So we're still in on our buys. Just hold. Just hold it, because this can go all the way back up to 75, 80, 90 cents. So Fantom's well on its way. You sit back now. Work tomorrow, for the entry. Now you hold.
Let's do this. I think tomorrow, I've got a great idea. Tomorrow we'll give away $10,000 to the crypto banter community who have downloaded CoinPanel. So if you want to download CoinPanel, there's a link in the description of this video. Freddie will put it there for you guys. And then you got Sheldon in your pocket. And then what we will do is on the chart itself, we will write the name of the winner on the chart. And
sweet.
And so we will give away $10,000 tomorrow to people who have CoinPanel. And how we'll do it is, just quickly go back to the chart. Let's just show them how it works. Just right there, Run is the winner. Okay, so then, and now if you've got CoinPanel, you can see that on your CoinPanel. That's how it happens. So it is basically like having Sheldon in your pocket. So whenever he updates the charts before the show, you've got it. That's how it works. This is like the best thing I've ever seen. Tomorrow, we give away $10,000. So today you can sign up. Tomorrow, before the show, $10,000 to people who sign up on CoinPanel. Just give it away.
Amazing. I see someone asked about DeFYN. DeFYN still, investment-wise. Guys, just buy little dips, little bit. Small party portfolio, just buy little bits. One of these days, you're going to be absolutely amazed. Any little drops in the zone, it's accumulating.
Okay, quickly, we got Glenn Frey, who says, look, it's Chiliz, CHZ.
Chiliz. I used to chart this coin so much and trade it. And
then I want to just talk about, what do you think?
Okay. It's looking good. It's about to break out of this resistance. It's literally breaking out it now. That's good. So Chiliz next move 52 to the 60. And simple. If you start laddering in now, great. And any touches on support, you add some more.
Okay, I agree with you. Can we spend 2 seconds just talking about what happened this weekend? Because I got a lot of, I don't know, criticism from people, from the salty people about dollar currency 21. So the story goes that on the weekend, I saw this tweet from dollar currency 21. It said, "You're not in a dungeon, Sheldon Sniper. I'm in it. Banter family, we need maximum like and share and retweet. Maybe CZ Binance can see this tweet." And he talks about how if you're living in Iran, the currency is depreciating, the inflation is very, very high. And now with this new thing from Binance, they can't get KYC, so they can't trade anymore. And so, I mean, CZ is not going to stop this because he needs to do it. So I said to dollar currency 21, I said to him, "Look, bro, I'll buy you a plane ticket and give you a job at Banter. Just say the word, come to South Africa." And then people started to criticize, why am I doing this for one person where there's countries like Venezuela where if we have the power to help one person and he can come and live here and work with us and be part of the Banter family. And this is not an ordinary person. This is a person who has been doing summaries of our shows every single day without being paid. Every day since we started, he's been doing summaries of our shows without being paid. He's part of the family. And when we have a member of our family who is in need, who can't trade crypto anymore, then we need to help him. And yes, it is only one person, and it's going to cost us quite a bit because we're going to bring him to South Africa and we're going to put him up in a house here, and we're going to give him a job here at Crypto Banter here in the studio. Once we help him, he's going to be able to help a whole lot of other people in the family. So that's why we're doing it, and we are doing it. Today, the team is speaking to lawyers about getting him a visa because he needs a visa to come and work here. And that's, if we can help someone who's a member of our family, we will. And I know it's only one person, but if we can help one person to help many people.
To be honest, he has worked for free for the last 4 months. Every single day he gives a report on the show. You know what I mean? He works his ass off, so he deserves it.
Let me make it simple for you guys. When we took on Sheldon here, we didn't think, all we thought was that we could change Sheldon's life. And look how many other lives Sheldon has been able to change because of this platform called Crypto Banter Family. And now every day he changes thousands and thousands and thousands of lives. And that's why I'm going to change, or we at Crypto Banter are going to change dollar currency 21's life. We're going to bring him here from Iran. He's going to be here. He's going to work with us. We're going to make sure he has a role here. And then he's going to change as many lives as possible, just like Sheldon has. Because of Sheldon, not only are you guys getting all this exposure and all this education free, and he's starting his masterclasses on this Saturday. Sheldon's doing 2 masterclasses for you guys, but we're also starting the school where Sheldon's getting the sniper school. So how many lives have we changed just by changing one man's life? And that's why we're going to keep changing it. One man's life is going to change hundreds of people's lives, and that's why we're doing it. So for the salty people, let's just can we throw some salt on them? For the salty people, Fred. Yeah. So, let's get out of here.
Awesome, guys.
We'll see you guys again, 10 a.m. EST, big show. And then there's going to be a microdose later, big show. If you missed microdose on Friday, you missed Mr. Business Call, which doubled over the weekend. That was the Truth Token, UFO. So, yeah. We will continue changing lives at 10 a.m. today, EST. I know that you guys will be here because you're the family and you are the machine that keeps this whole thing going. So we love you guys madly. We'll see you guys again at 10 a.m.
Make lots of money.
Remember, CoinPanel. Sign up for CoinPanel tomorrow. You might just see your name pop up in the writing, and then you get $10,000. No, we will give away $10,000. You'll get like $1,000 of the $10,000. That's it. Love you guys. See you guys at 10 a.m. EST. Sheldon, what a great show, brother, man.
Loving it, bro. Loving every second of it. Amazing.